Hi, my name is Vishal, and in this demo, you'll see how Alteryx enables manufacturers to fully tap into Snowflake Data Cloud with zero coding. Let's discover how Alteryx and Snowflake together revamp a fleet management use case across multiple user experiences. Our Fleet Operations Manager is on a mission to reduce late deliveries. By leveraging the strength of Alteryx and Snowflake, she gets a clear, AI-generated view of delivery timing KPIs with AiDIN. She finds, somewhat surprisingly, that truck breakdowns are the biggest reason for delays. With Alteryx, she is armed with immediate, detailed insights, data stories and trends of these breakdowns, all without any manual work. As the operations manager digs into Alteryx's insights, she sees the bigger picture. Alteryx's robust features allow her to segment, filter and search the data effortlessly, allowing her to obtain answers in seconds. The operations manager, realizing that truck breakdowns significantly affect delivery times, seeks to understand the financial implications. Using Alteryx AiDIN and its generative AI capability, she swiftly signals the analyst team to probe further. Upon receiving the email, the analysts jump into action. They tap into Alteryx Analytics Cloud, effortlessly connecting to Snowflake to pull necessary data from truck sensors, maintenance history, real-time operations, and more. By merging these datasets in Alteryx, they gain a full view of the maintenance situation, enabling them to delve deeper. Their mission is clear: assess the financial impact of truck breakdowns. Leveraging Designer Cloud, they have the power to seamlessly connect to and alter data types, apply filters and business logic, and even adopt Alteryx's AiDIN smart suggestions, shaping the data to fit their exact needs. This streamlines dataset refinement, prepping it for deeper analysis efficiently. The analyst gains access to truck data, offering valuable insights into inventory value as well as truck locations, and can effortlessly join it with the truck sensor data, filtering to isolate trucks that broke down. Now, the true power of Alteryx and Snowflake comes to the forefront. With the seamless integration of Alteryx Designer Cloud and Snowflake, the analyst can provide incisive, comprehensive fiscal reports on the business impact of truck breakdowns, enabling decision makers to strategically mitigate losses and optimize operations. Armed with insights into the past maintenance issues, the maintenance manager pivots towards proactive action, aiming to create a model predicting potential truck breakdowns. Using the data prepared in Snowflake, they spearhead this initiative using Alteryx's AutoML. This allows the maintenance manager to build effective machine learning models without coding. Their mechanical expertise, together with Alteryx's education mode, propels them swiftly into this task. This potent fusion accelerates the model development process, empowering them to quickly move from concept to action. Alteryx not only suggests model for the maintenance manager, it also automates and streamlines the pipeline. Alteryx then shows the manager rich insights into uncovered patterns, translating complex data science into actionable business insights. This process ultimately facilitates the implementation of strategic predictive maintenance plans. Furthermore, the maintenance manager uses Alteryx to execute what-if simulations, evaluating the effects of variable changes on potential truck breakdowns. This scenario analysis empowers them with risk insights, enabling informed decisions for optimizing maintenance plans and mitigating breakdown-related challenges. Utilizing Alteryx's push-down processing features, the operations team can effectively monitor truck locations in real time. The seamless integration of Alteryx with Snowflake allows for optimal data storage and processing in Snowflake's high-performing environment, enhancing decision-making, fleet monitoring, and logistics optimization for the team in real time. In addition, the operations team can layer data to pinpoint trucks with the highest breakdown risk. Incorporating contextual information, like past maintenance records, sensor data, and other pertinent factors, offers insights into each truck's breakdown likelihood. This holistic analysis fuels proactive actions, ensuring prompt maintenance and minimizing unexpected disruptions. Boosting operations, the command center integrates risk levels and the nearest service sensor data for each truck. This fosters efficient decision-making, reduces downtime, and ensures timely deliveries. By identifying the closest service centers, maintenance teams swiftly address breakdowns, minimizing delays and enhancing delivery efficiency. The utilization of historical data, future breakdown prediction, and operational optimization is made seamless by Alteryx's low-code, no-code capabilities and Snowflake Data Cloud. This powerful alliance offers manufacturers insightful, automated and data-driven decision-making processes with ease. Thanks for watching our demo. To learn more, check out the links in the description and leave a comment to let us know what you think.